Oh yeah, just a quick video on the coolant sort of issue or question. So I had the car running for say 5 minutes, and also it did start off at 100. Sorry, it did start off at 100, and then it's gone up to, as you can see, up to 260 on there after literally 5 minutes. The engine doesn't feel particularly hot or anything. The pipes down here are sort of quite warm. You know, obviously I can hold it, but actually it's probably sort of pretty hot I say. And the radiator as well, nice and hot. It's the same for the other side. I also removed the top hose, and that literally just was spraying out coolant. So back on again, and that both sides of those pipes are nice and warm as well. So the fans didn't come on at all. But obviously it sort of rose up quite quickly, you know, to that temperature. And at the back, again, I removed the cap to have a look, and this pipe here was just literally just a constant stream of spray of coolant back into the tank there. Again, this pipe here is nice and warm. This one here is nice and warm as well. It feels quite sort of firm as well. What's that nice firm? But yes, and it revved very nice. But yeah, and once that's cooled down, I'll have a look in there and see what sort of coolant levels I've got in there. But yeah, all the pipes are all nice and warm, but to say no fans. When I got the car, you know, this is autostat switches here. That's now joined up. It was joined together, so when I turned the ignition on, both fans would come on like straight away, like literally, obviously immediately. So I just connected it back up. And this pipe here is nice and hot there. I guess these are all joined together, so yeah, and that's obviously nice and hot down that end as well. Okay, right, cool, perfect, thank you.